Hello, my name is GARV Kumar Nigam, roll number 2002260, branch Mechanical, subject Applied Physics. My seminar GD topic is the nuclear atom. These are the contents of my slides. First of all, the history of atom. Democritus developed the idea of atom. He pounded up materials in his pestle and the mortar and reduced them to smaller and smaller parts, which he called atoma. And what is an atom? Atom is a tiny basic building block of material. All the material on earth are composed of various combination of atoms. An atom consists of a cloud of electrons surrounding a small dense nucleus of proton and neutrons. Atoms are the smallest particles of a chemical elements that still exhibits all the chemical properties to that elements. Now, structure of atom. Atoms are made up of smaller particles called electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons and protons have a properties called electric charge which affects the way they interact with each other and with other electrical charge particles. These are the structure of an atom. First of all, the atom, nucleus, electron, proton and quark. Now, the nucleus. The nucleus consists of a proton and neutron. The nucleus contains all of the mass of atom, but it occupies only a tiny fraction of the space inside the atom. The diameter of a typical nucleus is only about 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 or about 1 upon 1000 of the entire atom. Electrons. Electrons were discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson. Electrons are negatively charged particles of atoms. Together, all of the electrons of an atom creates a negative charge that balances the positive charge of the protons in atomic nucleus. The mass of electron is almost 1000 times smaller than the mass of protons. They are found near the nucleus. It has a mass of 9.109383715 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Now protons. Protons was discovered by E. Goldstein. Proton have a positive electric charge. A proton mass is about 1840 times that of an electron. The number of proton in the nucleus determines the total quantity of protons in the elements. Neutrons. Neutrons was discovered by Sir James Chadwick. The neutron slightly heavier than the proton. They are electrically neutral particles, that is, part of nucleus of the atom. The neutron is about centimeters and weight about 1.67493 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Thomson model of atom. Thomson proposed the model of atom to be similar to a Christmas pudding. The electron in a sphere of positive charge were like current dry fruits in a spherical Christmas pudding. Rutherford's model of an atom. An atom consists of a positively charged center in the atom called nucleus. The mass of atom is contributed mainly by the nucleus. The size of nucleus is very small as compared to the atom. The electron revolve around the nucleus in well-defined orbits, scattering of alpha particles of a gold foil. And this is the experiment performed by the Rutherford models. Bohr model of atoms. Bohr agreed with most of the points regarding atom as proposed by Rutherford's model of atom. Except the revolution of electrons, for which he added that there are only certain orbits where electrons revolve inside the atom. While revolving in their discrete orbit, they do not radiate energy. Now, what is atomic number and mass number? Atomic number is equals to the number of proton in an atom, and the mass number is the total number of proton and neutron in an atom. And these are our Neil Bohr, Ernest Rutherford, E. Goldstein, James Chadwick, J.J. Thomson and Joel Dalton. Thank you.